Converting Numpy Dtypes to native Python types. If I have a Numpy Dtype, how do I automatically convert it to its closest Python data type? For example, I could try to come up with a mapping of all of these cases, but does Numpy provide some automatic way of converting its dtypes into the closest possible native Python types? This mapping need not be exhaustive, but it should convert the common dtypes that have a close Python analog. I think this already happens somewhere in Numpy.
Use file.item to convert most Numpy values to a native Python type. A related method np.ascalar val was deprecated with 1.16 and removed with 1.23. For the curious, to build a table of conversions of Numpy array scalars for your system. There are a few Numpy types that have no native Python equivalent on some systems, including clong double, clong float, complex 192, complex 256, float 128, long complex, long double and long float. These need to be converted to their nearest Numpy equivalent before using .item.
Found myself having mixed set of Numpy types and standard Python. As all Numpy types derive from Numpy.generic, here's how you can convert everything to Python standard types.
If you want to convert Numpy.array or Numpy scalar or native type or Numpy.dari to native type, you can simply do to list will convert your scalar or array to Python native type. The default lambda function takes care of the case where value is already native.
To list is a more general approach to accomplish this. It works in any primitive type and also in arrays or matrices. I doesn't actually yield a list if called from primitive types. Numpy == 1.15.2.
How about